Hard to believe we had snow on the ground as short as 4 weeks ago and we're already experiencing summertime temperatures. Here are some tips for you to lower your utility bills this summer. Prep your HVAC system. There's a few things you can do to get your AC system working a little bit better to save some money this summer. The first thing I always recommend is get out in your garage or wherever your furnace is located and make sure you change your air filters. If they're clogged up, they're going to make the unit run a little bit harder and it's going to cost more money in the long run. So make sure you're getting that taken care of. Also, you want to go outside, check out the condenser unit. During the winter time, if your AC is not running, you may have animals or other things that get in there, build some nests and other things. Clean it out, make sure everything's ready to go. It'll save you some money in the long run because your unit will run as efficiently as possible. Close your blinds. If you have a house with a lot of windows, closing your blinds during the day can help keep your home a lot cooler. It actually makes a big difference if you haven't ever tested it out before. Especially if you're not home during the day, keep them closed. It's going to keep your home cooler and your AC won't run nearly as much. Use LED bulbs. Let's face it, LEDs are a little bit more expensive on the front end, but in the long run, they're going to save you money in two different ways. The first is they use a lot less electricity, so that's a good thing to keep your utility bills a little bit lower. The second thing is they don't put off nearly as much heat as incandescent bulbs, so even though you have them on the same amount of time and they put off as much or even more light, they're not increasing the temperature in your house. Two great ways to lower your bills this summer. Buy a cistern. Cisterns or rain barrels are great devices to have around the house because you can cut down on your water usage during the summer. As long as it keeps raining and filling your barrel up, you can use that to water your plants, water your yard, or even wash your cars. Adjust your ceiling fan. Heat rises and cold air stays at the floor, so what you want to do is make sure you blow the air downward during the summertime. It's going to do two things for you. It's going to cool you off as you feel the air moving past you, and it's going to blow that cold air from the floor up toward the ceiling, cooling the house. These are just a few great tips that I came up with, and I'll make sure to link to the article in the description below. If you have any other ideas to save you on your utility bills this summer, let me know in the comments. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with everything I post.